Welcome back, food lovers. Take about 250 grams of rice, cover it with water, then add a bit of butter on top, a pinch of salt. Cover it and let it cook on low heat until the water fully absorbs. Let's take 4 salmon fillets. Add a little salt just to your taste. Don't forget about black pepper. Just coat everything well. Make sure each piece is nicely covered. I love how simple salmon is to work with. No complicated steps. It just comes together easily. Plus, it's actually really good for you, so it's one of those meals I keep going back to. And don't forget the other side. Now flip them over. Just a bit of salt here. Not too much. You don't want to overdo it. Salmon already has a great flavor, so this just helps bring everything out a little more. Then some black pepper. I like a bit of a kick here. It balances the richness really nicely. Dear food lovers, I'm Mary, and I'm really glad you're here. I'd love to know where you're watching from. Let me know in the comments. All right, let's move to the pan. Add a bit of butter. Let it melt. Go ahead and place the salmon into the pan, then just let it cook undisturbed for a bit. Let it cook until you get that nice golden color. Now turn them over. This is actually one of my favorite parts, just letting everything cook slowly. You can hear the sizzle and you don't really need to do much. It's kind of a nice break in the middle of cooking before everything comes together. Now we'll need 1 onion. Just slice it up like this. Dear food lovers, I'd really love to have each of you as part of this journey. So if you enjoy simple recipes like this, you can subscribe and stay with me here. It really means a lot. Take the fillets out of the pan. Add the onion, give it a quick mix, and let it cook. Take about 150 grams of cherry tomatoes, around 5 ounces, and cut them in half. By the way, did you know that tomatoes are actually fruits, not vegetables, even though we use them in savory dishes all the time? They're part of the same family as potatoes and eggplants, which is kind of unexpected. And the riper they are, the sweeter and more flavorful they get. So it's always worth picking good ones. Now add them to the pan and let them cook. Add a little salt just to your taste. And a little black pepper. Now mix everything well. Time to add 2 handfuls of baby spinach and let it cook until it softens. Next, add 150 milliliters of heavy cream, about 5 fluid ounces. Time to add the salmon fillets back. Spoon the sauce over them. Let them cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. And that's it. Our dish is ready. Serve it up and enjoy. Dear food lovers, your feedback means a lot to me, so let me know in the comments how you like it.